The difference between an average market and a market people can't stop talking about usually comes down to the vendors, because choosing vendors isn't just about filling booth spaces. It's about creating an experience. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would choose vendors for a market event. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Elle and I create videos about vendor markets, pop-up events, and event organizing. Today I want to walk you guys through vendor selection because I think it's one of the most important parts of creating a successful event. When you're reviewing applications, I think one of the biggest mindset shifts is to stop thinking like an organizer for a moment and start thinking more like a shopper. When someone walks through your event, what do you want them to experience? Do you want them to see the same types of products over and over again? Or do you want them to discover something new around every corner? The best markets create variety. They create discovery. And they make shoppers want to keep walking because they're excited to see what's next. When you're first starting out, it can be tempting to accept every application that comes in. I completely understand why. You want to fill your event. You want vendors. And you don't want empty spaces. But one thing I've noticed is that too many similar vendors can actually hurt the overall experience. For example, too many candle vendors, too many boutiques, too many permanent jewelry vendors. Instead, I would think about creating balance. Maybe you have clothing, jewelry, candles, home decor, art, a variety of food, beauty products, specialty gifts. The goal is to create a market that feels intentional and well curated. Another thing I would encourage organizers to do is look beyond product photos. Of course, photos matter, but they're only one piece of the puzzle. I would also look at things like their past booth presentation, their branding, social media, product descriptions, and just overall professionalism. Because vendors are helping create the atmosphere of your event. A beautiful booth setup can completely elevate the shopper experience. And often that's what people remember. If you're enjoying organizer-focused content like this, make sure you're subscribed because I've been creating a lot more content around planning and hosting successful markets. I also don't think you should automatically choose vendors based solely on experience. Some of the most creative vendors are actually newer businesses. What I care about more is fit. Do they fit the audience? Do they fit the vibe of the event? Do they seem prepared and professional? Sometimes a newer vendor who's a perfect fit for the event is a better choice than a veteran vendor who's not aligned with the experience you're trying to create. One thing that can make vendor selection much easier is creating a simple review process. For example, you might score vendors based off product fit, booth presentation, professionalism, category balance, and overall event fit. That way, you're making decisions consistently instead of relying entirely on gut feeling. And honestly, one of the reasons I built Let's Pop Shop is because I realized how difficult it can be to review applications when everything is spread across emails, DMs, spreadsheets, and social media. When vendors apply through Let's Pop Shop, organizers can review profiles, social links, product photos, and application information all in one place. The more applications you receive, the more important having a system becomes. That's actually one of the biggest reasons I built Let's Pop Shop, to help organizers review vendors and manage applications without the back and forth. At the end of the day, your goal isn't to have the most vendors. Your goal is to create the best event possible. Sometimes that means being more selective, Sometimes that means saying no, because a well-curated event creates a better experience for shoppers, vendors, and organizers. And that's ultimately what keeps people coming back year after year. I'd love to know in the comments, if you're an organizer, what do you look for when selecting vendors? And if you're a vendor, what do you think makes a great market? And if you're planning an event and want an easier way to collect applications, review vendors, and manage everything in one place, I'll put a link to Let's Pop Shop below. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.